Coloring books are not just for kids anymore. Adults are spending millions on stress relief coloring books, and with AI tools you can create and publish them in under an hour. No inventory, no shipping, just passive income. Hey hustlers, want to earn $500 a week online without showing your face, learning design, or spending a dime? In today's video, I'm revealing a brand new side hustle that's blowing up in 2025 and barely anyone's talking about it. Let's dive into how you can start selling AI-generated coloring books on Amazon KDP, even if you have never drawn a stick. Figure in your life. Step 1: Niche research. First, go to Amazon and search for adult coloring books. Look for niches like mandala for anxiety, funny swear word coloring, or affirmations for moms. Use tools like BookBolt or even Google Trends to find what's hot. The more specific, the better. Step 2. Generate with AI now. Head over to tools like Midjourney or Leonardo AI. Type prompts like intricate mandala, coloring page, or funny cat. In Spaceline Art, download 25 to 30 images. You can even use ChatGPT to generate titles, descriptions, and affirmations for each page. Step 3. Format and upload. Use Canva or BookBolt to format your pages into an 8.5 by 11.5 inch PDF. Add a catchy title and a simple cover, then upload it to Amazon KDP. Set your price around $6.99. Amazon handles printing and shipping you. Just collect royalties. Step 4. Market smart. Promote your book on Pinterest, Reddit, or TikTok using short clips of your pages, or run $5 Amazon ads to test traction. One viral book can bring in hundreds weekly passively. This is one of the easiest ways to build passive income in 2025. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell.